This is the remake to Big Trouble. And here's a tape is like Big Trouble. That was put on March 20th, 2003. Plan on watching the original soon, so yeah.
Now available to own on video and DVD.
Following previous after volume shows some much pictures of American.
The most hilarious hits. All on video and DVD.
Plan to watch the original soon, so
Movies with comic genius. And the not too bright.
Do you have that one with that guy who was in that movie that was out last year?
Heartfelt stories of the socially challenged.
I think there's been a mistake.
Did you say steak? And the chronically unlucky.
Check it out, dude.
Hi, Mike. Great.
Like the quiche.
Exploring the art of love.
Just having a little girl trouble. Pressing charges. I get that a lot.
And the anticipation of romance.
Punch me.
I'm not gonna punch you.
Are you some kind of wuss?
No, I'm not a wuss.
Movies with heroes.
I think it's up to us.
And heart.
You two are gonna help me tame the wild beast. Debbie, will you marry me?
Movie Showcase. Great movies at low prices on video and DVD.
Now that ought to do it.
And now, our feature presentation.
that sounds a modified original versions for format for your TV. Big Trouble.
God said to Noah, I am going to put an end to all people, for the earth is filled with violence because of them.